Okay. So good afternoon, Rainbow team. So from our discussion last week, what we want to achieve is the outcome-based mindset. For our week two discussions, who are we targeting to influence this kind of mindset?
One, we are targeting the seven NGO partners. In particular, we will target the seven executive directors because they are the ones who can influence changes in their own organizations.
Secondly, we as if we target children, we are raising potential leaders. This is to multiply and develop these children to bring their voices to influence the adults, policymakers, political leaders, and decision makers at the community level and up to the country level. So if we start influencing them positively, we are helping to shape this country.
And of course, we should not forget the KNH Philippines country team, the ICT members, particularly the people in program, the people in admin and finance, and of course our additional help, the part-time staff of KNH Philippines that are also crucial in achieving changes.
Wow. So that's very specific and very intentional for our project. We want to influence number one, that 23 partner organizations, particularly the executive directors of our partners across the country. The second one, we are intentionally targeting the child leaders as we believe children are not only the future, but they are also the present of our country. And of course, but not the least, we want to target and we want to influence as well our partners within the KNH Philippines. We all agree that while the technical capacities are very important to influence changes, it's also equally important to nurture the soft skills, particularly the soft side or the soft skills of these future leaders. So I think our implementation for the project looks very exciting. So looking forward to the inputs of the others. Cheers!